Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel Techyrators. This video is all about how to log in via root user in Kali Linux 2020.2 via graphically, as by default root login is disabled in Kali Linux 2020.2. I'll explain you every step to get your work done, so watch the full video and let's get started. Now open your terminal and first you need to set the root password. So how you can set the root password by a user? Just run a command sudo space password space and your username, that is root, and enter. Now you need to enter your current user password, enter, and set the new password for user root. So it's enter, retype your new password and enter. Now your root password was updated successfully. Now switch to root su hyphen and your password, enter. Now you have the root access. So now close this and log out from your system and try to log in from root. Log out, wait until the screen comes. Now other and your username root, enter, and your password, enter. Now you see login failed because by default login from root is disabled in Kali Linux 2020. Now login from user account, enter. You need to change some configuration file to login with root graphically. So open your terminal, get root access, enter. Now cd /etc/pam.d, enter. In this directory ls you see a gtm-password file. So vim gtm-password and enter. In the third line you see authorizations tab required space pam-succeed user not equal to root. So you need to comment this line, press I hash escape colon and wq, enter. Now you see a second file named sddm. Now open this sddm, enter, and same you have to comment this line. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. Same I hash escape colon wq, enter. Now log out from the system and now try login with root. Log out, now other user, type username, that is root, enter, and your password, enter. Now wait. Now you see we have login. Now you have login with root. So when you open the terminal you get root terminal. So this is the end of the video. If you like my video, do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Techyrators, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all updates of my channel. And one thing more, in future I am launching a tutorial, a beginner series tutorial for shell scripting in Linux. So do subscribe to get all updates for every tutorial I post. Now for today, bye bye.